Hello friends, welcome to your favorite channel Morals Exploring. Friends, in this video we are showing the Redmi Note 8 Pro switching on for the first time. We also discuss specification and features of Redmi Note 8 Pro. In our last video Redmi Note 8 Pro unboxing we have explained a bit about this phone. If you have missed it, to watch it, you can watch that video by clicking the link on the left top of our video, and also the link is mentioned in the description.
Okay, now I am switching on the phone for the first time. It's looks good. I have not still not removed the cover also. With cover also I can touch, but I feel something, so I am removing this cover. It looks more beautiful without the cover as its resolution is more. It is starting first time. It is like MI user interface 10 we are using here. I am clicking on the start. Select the language English I have selected, and I am selecting the region is India. And next, now it's asking for connect to the Wi-Fi network. I am skipping as of now, and it is asking terms and condition. Just approve it and next. Now it is searching for the SIM card. As of now I don't have SIM card, so I am clicking next for this. Now it is asking for the Google service. If you want to enable any of the Google service, as of now I have not set up anything, so I will just disable this and click on accept. Um, Next, and now it will be asking for the setting of the password. We can set the password like fingerprint or on-screen board. Fingerprint, if I go, we want to have a pattern, pin or password something, then only we can go for the fingerprint. As of now, I don't require anything. I'm just skipping this one. And additional settings. In additional settings, we have a location, user experience program, send diagnostic data automatically, personalize ad recommendation, update automatically, wallpaper cursor. This all options we will be having. But as of now, we don't require this one. And in MIO area, MI, if you enable this one, the ads will give more as MI user interface is little bit more ads. So I am just disabling it and going clicking on the next. And the next, it will be coming to the themes. In this, we have a classic and limitless. Both looks good, but classic looks dark background. So for this particular resolution, I prefer classic and clicking on next. And it is telling setup complete for MI user interface 10. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to set up fully. And as they may upgrade the Android version in the future, like now MI user interface 11 is coming. As this phone I took with the sales which is came first, so it is having MI user interface 10. But future, once I upgrade, I hope it will be using MI user interface 11, which is more beautiful than as I read in some articles. Um, it looks good, my user interface 10 also, but once we use, then only we will come to know. So in my next video, I will upload that also, like how the interfaces are, all those things. And if I come across this phone, it looks good for me. I feel okay with the phone. And if I come across the weight, it is weighing around 200 grams. Um, which is pretty decent weight for this phone, and the display area is 6.35 inch, and this one is 3.05 inch, and the width is like 0.35 inch, and for holding also it is comfortable for using single hand, like I can easily use it for my single hand usage. My thumb will reach us for chatting, but I can't go for full screen in a single hand. So if I use my double hand, I can use it flexibly for each and everything. So want to check. Okay, now phone came up. It is usage looks very smooth and nice. I can swipe around my phone without any latch or anything. It's very sensitive with my touch as it's the first time. After usage, I will give more review on this. And if I check, it has a inbuilt Alexa, so we can set up the Alexa, Google Play, and all those things in this. And as of now, I have not set up in this anything. And if I go to camera, its photo looks good because it's a 64. It is asking for remember the photo location. So where we are clicking that one based on the location it is asking. And this looks good. The photo quality in this, we have 64 megapixel. Um, Photography, portrait, night mode, panorama, and professional. So these are the photo options. And for video, we have a regular video, short video on slow motion. It is asking system time isn't correct. Okay, slow motion. Slow motion looks good because it is trying to collect my um, light flickering also. System time isn't correct, it is telling. As it's the first time, maybe the system time is not adjusted properly. So photo is this much. I will explain more about this one in my next video. And yeah, system time is wrong here, so it is giving that error. It's entirely different time. We are in December and it is showing January, so it is having a problem. And it looks good. As I was telling about the usage and the body, it's very flexible. Power button, volume buttons are very nice. I can easily reach it by my thumb. And they have given this cover which is very flexible, and with the phone they have given, it looks good. Let me try to fit it. How it feels when I put the cover. Yeah, it's looks good. It's transparent and very flexible. It's fit perfectly and very nice. And this notch for the charging point is very nice and comfortable. I think it will be very useful from avoiding the dust and all. So power button also very handy in this. And if I see, it's fitting perfectly fine, like tailor made it is. As we were discussing about this phone, it supports all to the 3G and 4G. LTE speed it's around 42 Mbps approximately. So it's good, like look wise and the performance. And if I come across the body size, it is 6.35 inch long and 3.01 inch width, and the thickness is 0.35 inch. A little bit big itself, the phone, which is weighing around 200 grams. It's heavy, but it's good. As I hope, it's very nice. But little bit heavy. They could have reduced little bit grams in this, but it's not possible. And if I come across display, it's IPS LCD Corning Glass 5, and it's supporting the resolution of 1080 into 2340 pixels, which is very awesome. um, and it looks beautiful, and the screen to body ratio is 84.9 percentage, which is very good. Like it is having more screen in the body, so it's nice. And if I come across the protection, it is protecting from Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both the sides, front and back. The back side also it's a glass cover, so it's also a Corning Glass 5. It is little bit hard. If I tap also, I can check it out. It's bit hard. It's nice, and it is, as I told, it is using Android 9 Pie MI user interface 6. We can upgrade MI user interface 10, and we can upgrade to like MI user interface 11. I want to check it out. And it is using the chipset of MediaTek Helio G90T with 12 nm and with liquid cooling facility. I hope it is more cool if we are using for gaming and all. And the CPU, it is using octa-core Cortex A76 and Cortex A55, which is also very good. And its GPU, it is using Modi G7 CMC4, which is also nice. And if I come across the memory, we have a three versions in this: 64 GB ROM with 6 GB RAM, and 128 GB ROM with 6 GB RAM, and 128 GB ROM with 8 GB RAM. Now mine is 128 GB ROM with 8 GB RAM, which is very powerful and good, and it costed me around 17,999. As it was, I took in a sale. Within 20,000, this is a good phone with a good camera of like 64 megapixel camera and 4500 mAh battery. So I liked it a lot. And if I come across the future of this phone, like it's very nice. I liked it a lot. And its future, if I come across, it's have a infrared ray port. That means it still supports infrared ray port where we can use it like for TV remote, like MITV or anything, any TV we can use their app and we can use it as a remote controller for that, which is good, and it looks stunning, beautiful. And we have a three colors in this one, that is gamma green, aloe white, shadow black, and they are planning to leave electric blue also. We want to check it out in the future. And if I come across the another thing is its mic is here. Mic and infrared ports are in the top. They given, and in the if I go for the bottom, they are given 3.5 mm jack and this charging type C charging point, which is very good. We can put like 18 volts charger, fast charger, which is very fast also. And with that, we have a mic and speaker also here itself, which looks good for me. I hope they will be. I can provide the more information. As of now, the performance it is telling like they have on the base mark OS 11. They have 3196 base mark OS. So and the battery life they are giving 114 hours a standby battery. So as it is having a big battery, I prefer at least it should be having that much, so we can find very flexible with this. The overall phone is very nice, looking wise or performance wise, but I will perform it more and use it for more hours and let you know how I feel in my next video. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing to Moral Explorer. If you're still not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel for the more videos and technical gadgets, um, all the stuffs we are trying to include in our channel. Thank you. A single place for all things. Have a nice day.